Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Göz Boyamak. So let's start. Göz Boyamak. Göz Boyamak. Göz Boyamak. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Göz Boyamak is to paint eye, while figuratively, the idiom means to mislead somebody by presenting a favorable impression, to delude someone by show off, or to hoodwink. In terms of the meaning, it is very similar to the English expression window dressing. Let's see some examples now. Adam yalancı, sadece göz boyuyor. The man is a liar, he's just hoodwinking. Adam yalancı, sadece göz boyuyor. Mağazalar indirimlerle göz boyuyorlar. The shops are hoodwinking with discounts. Mağazalar indirimlerle göz boyuyorlar. Göz boyama, bana doğruyu söyle. Don't hoodwink, tell me the truth. Göz boyama, bana doğruyu söyle. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.